Matias, makahulog na kinanaw. Tanawang singit. That your favorite, Matias? Singit. Yum, 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 yum. Ezekiel, banana monkey. Muna yung lahang paborito nga seaweed. Crispy Sis na Korean barbecue. Tayo nakabisita sa Asian store. Dagan ka palit. Kaurot ko si Matias. Snacks lang na niya. Snacks. Si Seaweed Boy. Matias, are you Seaweed Boy? Ini si Monkey Boy. Paldo sa seaweed si Matias. Paldo. Oh, napaldo siya. Yes. Hindi ko siya kalas. Yeah. Ano na gusto spinning? Stop. Paldo sa seaweed si Matias. Cheese sa seaweed. Cheese sa seaweed. Hindi na paborito. Oh, cheese for you. Di pa siya palas. Di paalas. Lalalas. Here's the monkey. Uy. Ito nakaulipay siya o seaweed. Muna ilang snacks. At least dali mag-chipsticks. Mag seaweed. Doon pa na siya ng snack. Kay tugnaw. Okay, hapon. Itag si Wigs na kaa.
Viewers across the galaxy. Today, I'm reporting on Earth's jungles, a lush green places that humans cut down to get each other holiday, or you and your loved ones an anniversary. A trip to these Earth's jungle might be the perfect gift to give. For an extra fee, another home will deliver the jungle right to your door. Contain presents.
Yummy? Turot na oy, dalihan na oy. Another bag. Is that one bag na? Two? Wow. Another one. Yeah, it's fine man na sila mag-eating a lot of seaweeds kasi good man na snacks. Yeah, Matias? Tilap-tilap pa.
Mostly
Yeah.
healthy for fish,
What?
but not mostly healthy for humans.
It's good. It's good for you. Than eating chips.
I think it's tasty. What do you always eat?
Yeah. Gusto ng seaweed. My seaweed boy. Bagus si Matias. Uy, eating seaweed. Uy. Ito Matias. Dancing mo Matias eh. Seaweed lang malakas. Eh Matias. Nice. Put the other what? Isa na that. Labay na sa basurahan. Good job putting in the trash. Balik kasi sa isa. Hello. There's more in there na ka. We bought 2 bags. 2 packs for that. Sa one